Hello, my dear friends. Today, I'm going to speak to you about the importance of self-love. When we talk about self-love, it is easy for us to picture someone else reading a self-help book or hugging a tree. But self-love is much more than that. A lot of studies have shown that self-love is the key to a mental well-being, and it keeps depressions and anxiety away. Self-love is the only thing that keeps us going in order to make us a better human being. So be proud of who you are and what you are, and don't be ashamed of how people look at you. Every one of us need to love ourselves before we love others. Be true to ourselves. Be sincere with ourselves. Be faithful to ourselves. Because nobody knows who we are and what we are except we ourselves. When people do not believe in your ability, you should believe in yourself. That will make you a winner. Finally, I would like to say that self-love is very essential for each one of us because it keeps us happy always and all the time. So thank you, my dear friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next.